Hello YouTube, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about Grep. We're going to be talking about NMAP and using its greppable output and other things such as cut and sort. So moving into Kali, here's your basic terminal. Do an NMAP enter command, shows us all of the options. The option we'll be focusing on today is the .og, which basically says output it in a greppable format to this particular file that we give it. So let's do an NMAP command. We got NMAP, we'll put an IP address there, do a basic scan, and then a -O, capital G, a little test.text, test.text file type. So we'll hit enter, creates a file, boom. Now there's nothing in here, that's fine. I ran a scan previously to this, so for the sake of quickness, we'll use this one. As you can see, this is output from a previous scan. Not very pretty, not very usable. Let's try to fix that. So the first thing we want to do is type the cat command in NMAP. This allows us to read it in the terminal window. Pretty cool. So let's use that same command and let's chain on the grep command. They're using the grep program. Now with this grep, what we're basically saying is we want to look for a particular variable on each individual line and then pull out line to the window. So a variable could be, everything that has a 1 in it, everything that says up. In this case, we're going to use the host as our variable. So we want to grep every single line that says host. So we do grep host, we hit enter, gives us some more kind of raw output. Still not very usable, but we're getting there. So the next phase is we're going to pipe this out to using the cut command. Now, the cut command requires a couple fields. So the first one is the delimiter. The delimiter basically says what's separating each individual chunk of text or fields or whatever. In this case, it looks like spaces. So we have space, 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 space. So we're going to use a delimiter like a space. Now the next one, we're going to be looking for the field. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fields. We want the IP address, 1, 2. So it's going to be field 2. And we'll hit enter. Look at that. So we have now a list, a very clean list of IP addresses that can be used. But looking at this list, it looks like we have some duplications here. A bunch of 130s, a bunch of 133s, a bunch of 136s. We don't want that because if we pipe it into a tool, we don't want the same IP address being scanned multiple times. So let's fix that. And we can fix that by piping it out into a command called sort. And doing a sort-u says, sort this list and only give me the unique values. So we'll do sort-u, hit enter, boom. Look at that. So it only gives us back the unique values. So now that we have this list, we can just pipe it out to another file, test.test. We'll hit enter on our desktop. There it goes. We click onto it. Boom. There's our list of IP addresses. We can then pipe that into other applications to be more fast, more efficient, more quiet on the network. So there you go, YouTube. That's how you use the grep option in NMAP. If you have any questions, concerns, you want to see more videos made, more demonstrations, please leave some text down there in the comment area. And don't forget to subscribe. Happy to make these videos for you.